Welcome to Costas Inn Timonium. Please make yourselves at home. So excited to have you. The elevator will bring you right up to the second floor of the grandstand and we'll bring you right to the Costas Inn Timonium restaurant. Here we are. Please come in and we're so happy to have you. Please enjoy.
Hi, it's Christine here. Pete did a great job bringing you in from the north entrance, and the drone should show you a great aerial view. The scavenger hunt is over. But I want to share with you another way to get in here is from Timonium Road. If you come in Timonium Road, it's in between the Infinity Dealer and the railroad tracks. You do not want to go past the railroad tracks. You want to make a right coming from York Road to Timonium Road. You want to make a right into the Timonium Fairgrounds, where we're at the second level of the grandstand, right behind the racetrack. You can come up either side. You can come in, park on the south side or the north side. They both have steps that will bring you up. And then you want to go to the center where you're going to find Costas Inn of Timonium.